Next is the structural isomerism. As we know that the compounds which are having same chemical formula but a different structure are called as structural isomers, and the phenomena to show the structural isomers is called as structural isomerism. As we know that the structural isomers are of many types. The first one is the ionization isomerism. The coordination compounds which are having same chemical formula but gives different ions in their solution are called as ionization isomers, and the phenomena to show the ionization isomers to form ionization isomers is called as ionization isomerism. For example, we are having two complex. The first one is Pt platinum NH3 whole 4 Cl2 and Br2 is present outside the coordination sphere, and second coordination complex is Pt NH3 whole 4 Br2 and Cl2 is present outside the coordination sphere. So in the first complex, this Br satisfy the primary valency of the metal. In the second case, this Cl satisfy the primary valency of the metal, and we know that in the solution this primary valency ligands are detached from the coordination sphere. So in the first complex, in solution it will form Pt NH34 Cl2 plus 2Br negative, because 2 negative is removed from the metal complex, so the coordination sphere will carry plus 2 charge. And in case of the second metal complex, the ions are Pt NH34 Br2 plus 2Cl negative detached from the coordination sphere by carrying 2 positive charge on the coordination sphere. So number of ion in the first complex is 1 is the coordination sphere and 2 is the Br negative. So total number of ion is 3. In the similar way, in second complex, the 2 Cl negative and 1 ion is the coordination sphere. The total ion is 3. Both these complex having same number of ion but same chemical formula, same number of ions but give different ions in the solution. This give Br negative ion in the solution, this will give Cl negative ion in the solution. The another example is CO NH3 5SO4 and Br is present outside the coordination sphere, and another is CO NH3 5Br and SO4 present outside the coordination sphere. In solution, the first metal complex will form CONH3 5SO4 positive plus Br negative. So Br negative ion is removed, formed in the solution. In the second one is CONH3 5Br plus 2 plus SO4 2 negative. The second complex will give sulfate ion in their solution, and the first complex will give Br negative ion in their solution, although they are having the same chemical formula. So both these are the ionization isomers of each other. Next one is the hydrate isomerism. The compounds which are having same chemical formula but having different number of water molecule inside and outside the coordination sphere, are called as hydrate isomers, and the phenomena is called as hydrate isomerism. For example, the first complex is CrH2O6 and Cl3. In this complex, the number of water molecule outside the coordination sphere is 0 and inside the coordination number is 6. If we exchange one water molecule and Cl molecule, that is CrH2O5, 1 Cl inside the coordination sphere, so outside the coordination sphere will remains 2 Cl, and 1 H2O is removed outside the coordination sphere. So this is first isomers, this one is the second isomers. Next one is third one. If we remove one more water molecules, so here water molecule will be 4 and 2 Cl will be inside the coordination sphere. So one Cl will remains outside the coordination sphere and two water molecules remove outside the coordination sphere. Finally, Cr, H2O3, all the Cl3 are inside the coordination sphere and three water molecules are outside the coordination sphere. So all these are examples of the hydrate isomers of each other, because number of water molecule outside and inside the coordination spheres are different. In the first case, this complex do not react with concentrated H2SO4, because concentrated H2SO4 react with the water which is present outside the coordination sphere, but this will react with the solution of the silver nitrate and to form 3AgCl, because all these 3 Cl will form or will dissociate in the form of Cl negative. This will react with one equivalent of concentrated H2SO4, because only one water molecule is present outside the coordination sphere, and this one react with two equivalent of AgNO3 to form 2AgCl white precipitate. Similarly, this molecule do not react with AgNO3, because no Cl is present outside the coordination sphere, and this complex reacts with three equivalent of concentrated H2SO4, because three water molecules are present outside the coordination sphere.